Give us some more information there, my friend. Let us know where you're from and let us know what you mean by recursions. Rex laughing at Patrick's statement there. Yeah, I mean, assembly would be funny, wouldn't it? Alan says, oh God, I forgot. Actually, assembly is where I want. Okay, guys, we have some PTSD going on in the chat. Everybody slow down. We don't want to give Alan or each other PTSD because pointers definitely give me PTSD with C, but Alan looks like he's having some flashbacks over there with assembly. You okay over there, Alan? Let us know you're okay. Yeah. Type a 3 if you can't type full letters, Alan. Just type a 3. Let us know you're okay. Class structure and interfaces are a bit more complicated in some languages like C and Java. Class structures and interfaces are a bit more complicated like C and... They can be. They can be. But you know what though, Jay? It's more about knowing what class you need though, right? The challenge isn't in writing the class, it's in knowing what you need. I mean, that's the abstraction that I'm referring to. Like, how many classes do you need and why? And what does each class need to do? Right? That's more of the challenge that I was referring to. And by the way, guys, this makes a great discussion because what we're talking about right now is exactly where I see data science going in the future. So if you've been coming to the Sunday class, remember Sundays, 1500 GMT,